We got a court order at the 11th hour. So we have to decide out of 4 or 5 options, one option immediately. Because we cannot take the people in a long driving position. We could have taken them to Dhubri. We could have taken them to Difu, but that requires 5 hours of journey. So the police calculated that which is the jail where they can go immediately. We decided Baksa because normally Baksa there is hardly any law and order situation. People are very nice and cooperative. That is why we decided Baska, not me, by the police. And they have just shifted them because once judicial custody is allowed, you cannot have him with you in police custody. So in the process, there was some, I think you have seen the instigation. And if you look at the press interview prior to their incident, the kind of question was put by press to the common people. All these things I think will go to Justice Soumitra Saikia's commission and things will come whose lapse it was.
Cabinet has taken some very key decision in terms of the Zubeen investigation. If you can briefly tell in English.
Today we have constituted a very powerful committee who will approve the drawing and designs for the Samadhi of Zubeen. Many members of his close family and friend circle, we have included them. Second, we have decided to constitute a fast track court because we have been given an understanding by the SIT that they will be able to file the search sheet on time. And in fact, going one step forward, they have already unraveled the basic motive of the entire incident, and SIT has actually progressed very, very commendable way. Finally, along with a fast track court, we have decided to appoint a special public prosecutor as per recommendation of the Advocate General of Assam. Finally, we are also thankful to the Singapore government for allowing Assam Police team to visit Singapore on 21st. That was a constant request Assam government has made. Yesterday when I met Dr. Joy Shankar, External Affairs Minister, he immediately called Singapore authority and he conveyed my uneasiness of not allowing Assam Police team to visit Singapore. Because of the interference at the level of External Affairs Minister Dr. Joy Shankar, today Singapore has approved the visit of Assam Police team. The Singapore police position was very clear. They met me, the High Commissioner met me. They said that in Singapore, whenever such kind of incident take place, they takes 3 months to complete the investigation. And during these 3 months, they do not talk. They remain in silent mood. Unlike India, the police are not allowed to speak, police are not allowed to meet anybody. They will remain in silent mood. But at the end of the 3 months, they have a coroner court, like our court. There they will put up the report. But after that, everything is public. You can see the report, you can argue in favor or for the reports. So they said that for 3 months, Singapore police must be given time. They cannot speak. That is why they have initially very reluctant to speak with Assam police. But now, because of the insistence of Dr. Jai Shankar, I also in my limited way, I also tried to convince them. So they have made a very, very special dispensation and allowed our police to visit Singapore.